Alright guys, got the Smith and Wesson M&P 9mm out today. Throw some lead down range. Got some Beloit 9mm Luger as well as some WPA Military Classic steel case stuff. Got my target out there at 10 yards over here at the Shooting Academy. We'll go see what we can do here with this 9. Take a look at what we got, guys. Looks like it's pretty decent from here. Nice little tight group. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, let's see if we can zoom in here for you on that, guys. Gotta love this gun. Consistently accurate. Love it. Look at that. Beautiful. Can't ask for that, guys. Got one straggler there, but overall not too shabby. Throw some more down there. 10 more rounds. We'll aim for the number 7 along the top. See what we got. Alright guys, got 10 more rounds here. What I'm going to do is sustained rapid fire to the 7 in the right quadrant. We'll go ahead and see what we can do with some sustained rapid fire. Go ahead and bring it back so we got it. Looks like they're a bit all over, guys. It's not as easy to do. So it looks like we got a few nice little group there, a couple over here, one up here. It looks like a couple actually landed way down here on the bottom. I don't think you guys can see that, but down here along the bottom, got a couple. But for sustained rapid fire, I think a few aren't even on target. Not too shabby. The guy would be dead if I needed to kill him, so that's most important. We're getting into the Beloit